Saan bansa kayo galing? Pwede ka magkaroon po siya ng gas ma'am. Kayo po yung magiging liable. Kung ano yung fuel level ma'am, yan din po siya. What is up guys? Good day sa inyo lahat. So today, syempre magdi-deliver na naman tayo sa airport. Pero bago yan, samahan nyo muna ako magpa-car wash. So tara! So ayun guys, bali tapos na nga tayo magpa-car wash, then direct na tayo sa airport. Update ko na lang kayo mamaya guys kapag nandun na ako. Makikita nyo naman yan sa video. So ayun guys, nandito na ako sa airport. Waiting na lang ako sa update nila client. Ayan. So ayun guys, nasa Bay 12 na sila ma'am. Pupuntahan ko na sila. Lalakarin ko na lang, then balik kami dito para ma-check nila yung sasakyan. So ayun guys, tara. Ma'am Ivy Rose. Tara ma'am dito. Andun po yung sasakyan. Nice po. Saan bansa kayo galing ma'am? Dubai po. Ma'am, sa inyo ko na lang i-explain yung yung nilalaman ng contract. If ever na magkaroon po siya ng gas ma'am, kayo po yung magiging liable doon ma'am.
Nakalagay na yung sa contract?
Yes po. Pipicturean ko na lang yung contract ma'am, isend ko na lang din po sa inyo. Dito po ma'am, ayun po yung pulang BS. Then kung ano yung fuel level ma'am, yun din po siya ibabalik.
Fuel level?
Yes po.
How much is the fuel level of this car? We have to return the same.
Same? Okay. Yes sir.
So you have to double check the car. One more thing, if there's any scratch or something happened to the car, we are the one reliable.
Normal, yes.
They will send the contract to us.
Alamigin ko lang ma'am para na po.
O yun, chinecheck niya lang namin.
Sige po, sige po. You can take a picture sir, then send it. Yes sir. Sir, the RFID card is here.
Yeah?
RFID card sir.
Huh. What is the meaning?
RFID sir.
It's a license, right?
No sir, it's not a license.
Not
This
the-
card is unit when you go to Skyway or SLEX.
Yes, there is a big gate.
Yes sir.
Okay, so I will just give them this one.
Yes, sir.
And you will charge?
But you have a RFID
Sticker
also,
already.
yes.
Okay,
yes,
I
sir.
can directly pass.
Okay sir.
This is in case.
Sure,
Paper of
yes.
the car here, which is this paper all. I will show.
Yes sir.
Okay.
If something happens sir.
And other cards, no need.
This one sir is a card for gasoline station. For Petron.
I will pay cash or I will pay by this?
No sir, cash.
Cash.
Then you get
Points.
Points sir.
Okay, so I will benefit for you.
Okay sir.
Okay, and this one?
RFID sir, card for North
Highway?
Highway sir.
Okay, one
Okay.
north, one other type.
This one is for South.
South and north.
North.
But it's already registered.
Yes sir.
Okay.
The mileage sir is only mileage.
Unlimited.
Unlimited sir.
And,
So yun guys, bali nabigay ko na yung unit kila client. Foreigner pa yung asawa, nabulol-bulol pa ako. So ayun guys, thank you for watching.